Okay, 30. I bet you're already wondering, probably know anyway, looking on the web page, that there's 35 questions in this section. We're on 30 exactly, so there's 6 to go. So question 30 then, let's have a little look at this one. Here's our table on the right. We've got this. It's a product of a pair, two terms in a bracket. So if we were to write down that rule, we're going to need that general rule, aren't we? So let me put it down at the bottom. When you have one term outside and two terms inside, you don't draw 4 lines as we did with a pair of brackets. You draw just 2 lines. Okay? And then you can write then the first line and the second line, so you're going to get 2 terms. The first line is the product of AB, and the second line will be the product of AC. There we go. There's our little bit of bookwork, so we're going to use that as we go through. So let's get it done and dusted down there. So bearing that in mind, then let's apply that rule to this. 1 term outside, 2 terms inside, so we draw the 2 lines, and then we can expand the bracket, can't we? So we get x squared, x to the minus 2 times 1, which is just that, and then x. Let's put the 1 in there because we want to be explicit here what power of x on its own is. It's x to the power 1. So when we expand that, then we're going to have plus x to the minus 2 times x to the 1. So we have y. The first term's no problem. The second term, it's times, so it's indices again, isn't it? So x to the a times x to the b equals times, you add the indices. That's the rule. There it is there, put it in a box for us. So adding them together, then times, you add the powers. 1 and minus 2 added together gives minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So it's x to the minus 1. Differentiating now then, that's tidied up. Now let's do the differentiation here. dy dx equals minus 2 comes down x to the 1 less. And then the next term will be minus 1 with a plus. Minus and plus make a minus. 1 lot of x to the 1 less than minus 1, minus 2. There's the differentiation. And now, what have we got? Now we've got to tidy it up. So let's tidy that up a little bit. So we've got dy dx then equals, what we got? Let's take that down. Minus 2. We've got to use this rule here, haven't we? Remember? X to the minus a, say, is 1 over x to the a. There's the rule. So let's use that. So if we flip it down below underneath, we have to flip the sign of the minus 3 to plus 3. The same goes here for the second term. We've got minus 1. Bring that underneath the 1. We have to flip the minus 2 to plus 2. So there we are. I think that's a bit easier on the eye, really. But both would be marked correct. That one is correct, and that one. Okie dokie. That was number 30. Great. Well done. Let's move on